In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through screens in Hubspot, a powerful platform designed to enhance your business operations. Let's dive in and explore each step to make sure you can seamlessly move through the Hubspot interface. First, you'll want to head over to the Hubspot homepage. It's your gateway to a vast array of tools and features that HubSpot offers to support your business's growth. Start by opening your web browser and typing in the HubSpot URL to reach their official homepage. Once there, you'll see various options, but what we're interested in are providing way for you to manage your operations effectively. Next, locate and click on the Login button. This step is crucial as it takes you into your HubSpot account where all your business's data and functional tools are accessible. If you're not yet signed up, you may want to set up an account to explore these features firsthand. But assuming you're already a user, this login step will prompt you to enter your credentials and take you straight to your main HubSpot page. After logging in, the HubSpot home will appear. This is your starting point for all interactions within the platform. It's designed to be intuitive, ensuring you can easily find your way around. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this page, as it's central to everything you'll be doing. Now it's time to explore the Dashboards feature. Click on Dashboards from the menu. Dashboards serve as your control center, allowing you to visualize and track various aspects of your data and operations. They help in consolidating all crucial information in one place, providing easy access and better insights into your performance metrics. If you need a new dashboard, go ahead and click on New Dashboard. This option lets you create a customized workspace tailored to your specific needs. Think of this as crafting your very own command center where you can monitor activities and keep tabs on your key performance indicators. Once you choose to create a new dashboard, a prompt will appear asking you to type in the dashboard name. It's wise to choose a descriptive name that reflects the data or analytics you plan to display on this dashboard. A well-chosen name can make finding and organizing your dashboards much easier in the future. Finally, to bring your new dashboard to life, you'll need to click on Create Dashboard. With just that click, your new dashboard will be set up and ready for you to add components, graphs, and any other elements necessary for your business insights. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've navigated through HubSpot's screens and crafted a dashboard that enhances your ability to analyze and act on critical business data. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned HubSpot user, mastering these steps can significantly improve your efficiency and productivity. Thanks for watching and happy navigating.